A very good day to you people. My name is Mohit. And guys, this video is going to be about vitamin B12. I was just speaking to a girl yesterday and she was of the opinion that sprouts from legumes, peas, beans, lentils, etc., they have B12. Let me tell you, I don't blame her actually. Let me tell you, B12 is neither made by plants or animals. Now what happens when the chicken is eating worms, or chicken taking the chicken feed from the soil directly? A little bit of the soil actually enters her. Same happens when the sheep or the goat or the cow is grazing on the grass. So when she pulls a bunch of grass, a little bit of soil comes along with that grass and it enters their system. Now the soil or the stream water or the well water or the pond water or the river water, kind of dirty water, not absolutely clean, has those microbes or the bacteria that enter your body, and B12 is then made inside your gut. As a result, when you drink cow's milk or hen's eggs or the flesh of an animal, let's say a pig, you get the B12 directly from the flesh. But don't use any flesh, any animal product as the source of your B12. Don't use it as a B12 supplement. Okay? My advice would be to stick to a few tablets a week. What is the dosage? You need to depend on me. And please understand that there is no plant. Nothing like sprouts, nothing like a tofu. Just because it looks like, made from plant milk doesn't give it B12 unless it's fortified. So no plant milk, unless it's fortified, will give you the B12. No amount of spinach or palak, no amount of chana or anything that you might have heard has B12 on it. Except roots and tubers, if not washed and scraped properly, will have certain microbes or bacteria clinging to them. Many thousands of years ago, when we were not so particular, and we would just, let's say pull out a carrot, just lightly wash it, or just, remove the soil a little bit and eat it, almost as is. We got the bacteria, but that doesn't happen anymore. So the bacteria or the microbes cling to the tubers and the roots like carrot, beetroot, radish, shalgam, things that you can pull out from the ground. My advice to you is, do not attempt to get your B12 or your vitamin D from food. Because food, either you will get food that will make you sick, which is animal products, flesh or milk or eggs. No meat, eggs, dairy, fish and fowl. No meat, eggs and dairy, fish and fowl. And don't attempt to get it from plants either. It's best to consume a couple of tablets a week of potency withheld and of duration or frequency withheld. You need to ask me. You have a good day.